In 1956, Loftness Manufacturing, the forerunner of Loftness Specialized Equipment Incorporated, had its beginnings in a farm shop owned by Dick Loftness, a Hector, Minnesota farmer. Dick had made a V-type snowblower for his own use. A few neighbors saw the blower and asked if Dick would make one for them. Soon Dick had made several of the snowblowers, and Loftness Manufacturing was launched. Gradually, sales grew until reaching the point where Dick could no longer operate at the farm. He moved the business into a small vacant building in Hector and employed a few farmers who were not busy in the winter. In 1970, Marv Nelson, a local farmer, began acting as a distributor for Dick. He bought the snowblowers directly from Loftness and traveled the upper Midwest, selling them to farm implement dealers. Gradually, sales increased, and the Loftness snowblower name was beginning to be recognized. Loftness Manufacturing moved again in 1975, this time into a building Dick had built in Hector. The company continued to grow, but by 1979, Dick decided to sell. Marv Nelson bought the business, controlling production as well as distribution. Semi-trucks were purchased, and snowblowers were delivered directly to dealers. Up to this point, snowblowers were the only product manufactured. Sales fluctuated widely since they were dictated solely by weather. Another product was needed to smooth the peaks and valleys of sales. In 1982, the Loftness crop shredder was developed, and the first prototypes were tested. By the following year, line production was underway. Other products have been added over the years. In 1993, the brush shredder. In 1995, the quick pick. In 1996, the flail mower. In 2000, the sod roller. In 2002, the timber axe. In 2005, the carbide cutter. Also in 2005, the timber axe extreme. And in 2006, the carbide cutter extreme. As business increased, additions to the plant were built, equipment was added, and the number of year-round employees grew. Loftness U.S. Attachments now occupies 82,000 square feet of production, warehouse, and office space in Hector, Minnesota. Loftness U.S. Attachment products are sold coast to coast across the United States, in Canada, Mexico, Chile, France, Japan, and Australia. From the beginning, Marv Nelson wanted to build the best product for the money, and his dream still lives on today. The Loftness factory uses old-fashioned work ethics combined with all the latest technology to consistently build quality products. Our engineers and designers use the latest 3D solid modeling software to develop our equipment. This computer-controlled laser cutter is cutting parts out of hard ox plate steel to a tolerance of less than 5/1000ths of an inch. This hydraulic press brake uses CNC back gauging and depth control to accurately form parts for better fixturing with less welding gaps. Top-grade steel, welded with high-quality wire and argon gas, along with top-of-the-line components and pride of workmanship, goes into every single Loftness product, from the 4-foot snowblower to the 30-foot multi-crop shredder. The carbide cutter rotors and other critical components are welded with an automated robotic welder, consistently producing perfect multi-pass welds every time. Every rotor is computer balanced and tested at full operating RPM to assure vibration-free operation, adding to the life of the main bearings and other components. A state-of-the-art paint booth applies corrosion-resistant enamel finishes on all of our products. Rigorous testing ensures a problem-free machine. In 2006, we celebrate our 50th anniversary. Loftness U.S. Attachments. Dedication to reliability and service builds solid customer relationships.